Hello guys, and welcome to another Premiere Pro tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create the cinematic black bars intro animation and outro animation in Premiere Pro. To begin, I've imported this clip onto my timeline over here. The first thing I want to do is to add the cinematic black bar intro and outro. To do that, come over to the Effects tab and search for band doors and apply this effect onto your video clip over here. If I zoom in, you can see the effect over here. Now, if I hit play, you can see that it opens from left to right, which is not what we want. To fix that, select the effect and come over to Effects Control and select the top or the bottom arrow over here to make it animate from up to down. Now, if I go back and hit play, you can see what we've created over here. The next thing we'll notice is that the speed is too fast. So I'm going to take the speed down to about 5 seconds. And if I go back now and hit play, you can see that the transition is now more subtle. The next problem I notice is that the black bar completely fades out until it's no longer seen. This is not the effect we want to create. We want to have some black bars remain at the bottom and the top over there. To create that, come over to your projects and select this new item over here and select black video and hit OK. And import this black video onto your timeline over here and set the duration of this black video to assume the duration of your entire clip, and come over to the Effects tab over here and search for the crop effect and apply the crop effect to your black video over here. Select the black video, hold down Alt and drag it one track above to duplicate it. Select the top layer and crop the top value to 95 and select the bottom layer and crop the bottom value to 95. And automatically we've added this black top and bottom layers over here. If I go back now and hit play, you can see that we have this animation that goes down and completely stays at that 95%. To add the black cinematic bar outro to this clip, come over to the Effects tab over here and search for the band doors effect and apply it onto the end of this clip over here and select the effects and come over here and select up or down to make it animate from up to down. And once again, set the duration to about 5 seconds. Now we will notice that if we hit play, it's going to be playing in reverse. To fix that, while this effect is selected, come over to the Effects Control and check off reverse. And that's it guys on how to create the cinematic black bars in Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching and see you in my next tutorial tomorrow.